Cream puffs, delicate, airy pastries filled with luscious cream. Achieving that perfect cream puff can feel like an elusive culinary dream. Fear not, fellow baking enthusiasts, for today we embark on a journey together. We'll explore the science behind the puff, the nuances of piping, and the art of filling, all while keeping things approachable and fun. So, roll up your sleeves, grab your aprons, and let's get baking. The perfect cream puff awaits. Before we dive into our cream puff adventure, let's gather our essential ingredients and tools. For our cream puff dough, or patea choux, we'll need water, unsalted butter, all-purpose flour, large eggs, and a pinch of salt. Using high-quality butter will make a noticeable difference in the flavor and richness of your puffs. For our diplomat cream filling, we'll use whole milk, granulated sugar, cornstarch, large egg yolks, vanilla extract, and heavy cream. High-quality dairy products will elevate the final taste and texture of your cream puffs. A heavy-bottom saucepan is essential for creating our patea choux, as it distributes heat evenly and prevents scorching. A sturdy whisk is crucial for incorporating the flour and eggs into the dough. We'll also need a piping bag fitted with a large round tip and a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. With our ingredients prepped and tools ready, we are all set to embark on this delightful baking journey. It's time to create the perfect patea choux, a versatile dough that forms the basis of many classic French pastries. This magical dough is the foundation upon which our airy puffs will rise, creating a light and delicate texture. Patea choux, which translates to cabbage paste in French, gets its name from the small cabbage-like puffs that form when the dough is baked to perfection. Cooking the flour mixture with water and butter creates a paste that, when combined with eggs, forms a network of gluten strands, essential for the dough's structure. These strands trap steam during baking, causing the puffs to rise dramatically and creating their signature hollow interior, perfect for filling with creams or custards. We'll combine our water, butter, and salt in our heavy-bottomed saucepan and bring it to a rolling boil, ensuring the butter is fully melted. Once the butter has melted, we'll add our flour all at once and stir vigorously until the mixture forms a smooth, cohesive ball, pulling away from the sides of the pan. After cooling slightly, we'll add our eggs one at a time, incorporating each egg fully before adding the next. Beating well after each addition until the dough is smooth, glossy, and forms a ribbon when lifted from the bowl, ensuring the perfect consistency for piping. With our patea choux mixed to perfection, it's time to pipe and bake. This is where the magic truly begins, transforming simple ingredients into delightful pastries. Precision is key here, as evenly sized and shaped puffs will bake more uniformly. This ensures that each puff rises and browns at the same rate, giving us a consistent batch. Preheat our oven to 395 degrees Fahrenheit and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. This high initial temperature helps the puffs to rise quickly and form a crisp outer shell. Fit our piping bag with a large round tip and fill it with our cream puff dough. This will help us achieve the perfect shape and size for our puffs. Pipe mounds of dough onto the parchment paper, spacing them about 2 inches apart. This spacing allows the puffs to expand without sticking together. Bake for the first 15 minutes at 395 degrees Fahrenheit. This initial high heat is crucial for the puffs to rise properly. Reduce the oven temperature to 365 degrees Fahrenheit and continue baking for another 20 to 25 minutes, or until the puffs are golden brown and sound hollow when tapped. This lower temperature ensures they cook through without burning. Turn off the oven and prop the door open slightly with a wooden spoon to allow the puffs to cool gradually. This prevents them from collapsing due to a sudden change in temperature. After about 10 minutes, transfer our cream puffs to a wire rack to cool completely before filling. This final step ensures they are ready to be filled with your favorite cream or custard. While our cream puffs are cooling, we'll craft a filling fit for such regal pastries, the diplomat cream. This luxurious cream combines the richness of pastry cream with the lightness of whipped cream. In a saucepan, we'll whisk together our sugar, cornstarch, and egg yolks until smooth. Heat our milk in a separate saucepan over medium heat until it just begins to simmer. Slowly whisk the hot milk into our egg yolk mixture, whisking constantly to prevent the eggs from scrambling. Return the mixture to the saucepan and cook over medium heat, whisking constantly until it thickens to a pudding-like consistency. Once thickened, remove from heat and stir in our vanilla extract. Refrigerate until completely chilled. Whip our heavy cream to stiff peaks and gently fold into the chilled pastry cream until no streaks remain. Transfer to a piping bag and refrigerate until ready to use. With our perfectly baked cream puffs, golden brown and crisp on the outside, and luscious diplomat cream ready, it's time for the grand finale, assembling our masterpieces. This is where the magic truly happens. Carefully poke a small hole in the bottom of each puff using a paring knife. This will allow us to fill them with our delicious cream. Insert the tip of our diplomat cream-filled piping bag into the hole and gently squeeze, filling each puff until plump. Be careful not to overfill. For a more rustic look, you can also cut the puffs in half and spoon the diplomat cream onto the bottom half. This method is perfect for showcasing the creamy filling. Dust your cream puffs with a generous coating of powdered sugar for a classic, elegant look. The powdered sugar adds a touch of sweetness and a beautiful finish. For a touch of decadence, drizzle melted chocolate over the puffs. This adds a rich, luxurious flavor. Or dip them in melted chocolate and sprinkle with chopped nuts or sprinkles. This gives a delightful crunch and extra flavor. Get creative with fresh fruit, edible flowers, and other decorative touches to make your cream puffs truly your own. These additions can make your dessert a visual masterpiece. Serve your cream puffs immediately for the ultimate melt-in-your-mouth experience. Freshly filled cream puffs are at their best. They also keep well in the refrigerator for up to 2 days, maintaining their deliciousness. But be warned, these delightful pastries have a tendency to disappear quickly. Enjoy every bite while they last.